ladies and gentlemen, we're the Swingin Richards. Hailing from parts unknown around the lower mainland, we're here for you tonight. Thank you to the Railway Club. Thank you to In the Evening and Steel Wheels. You guys rock. We'll try not to let you down. You have a broken heart. You're highly encouraged to dance, by the way. You get the feeling.
I don't mind you hanging out, talking in your sleep about that shack outside the rain.
You know what I'm talking about.
All in all, you're just a never breaking the wall. Nothing changes. New Year's Day. On New Year's Day.
Ladies and gentlemen.